Hello and welcome to Life with Patie. My name is Patie, and in today's episode we're going to be talking about how to take care of our feet. First of all, I'd like to appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I see you guys, I see you liking my videos, I see you commenting. That really means a lot to me. So thank you, I'm so grateful for that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button that is down below, and then you click the notification bell that is just next to it so that you get notified each time I release a new video. Okay, DIY pedicure, that's what we're doing today, and we're going to use apple cider vinegar. This is the main ingredient that we'll be using, and we are also going to use herbal bath salts. Okay, this is the other ingredient that we're going to put in, but then if you do not have this one, you can use any salt that you have. For example, you can use Himalayan salt. Yes, you can use that as well. It works, still works the same. So the other ingredient that I'm going to be adding into the water is peppermint oil. This is what I'm going to add as well, only just to kill the smell of the apple cider vinegar, really. Otherwise, this is not really necessary. Let's get right into the video to show you how I do it, and then I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright, so you see all that dead skin? Okay, we're going to work on removing that because we want the fish to be very, very soft. Alright, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a bowl with warm water, and then you're going to need some herbal bath salts, or maybe pink salt or sea salt, whatever salt that you want to use. And then you're going to need apple cider vinegar. This one works best for me, the raw unfiltered one, the one written with mother works best for me. So you shake it before use. And then you're going to need peppermint oil. Okay, I use peppermint oil to kill the smell of the apple cider vinegar because it really smells bad. It smells bad. So I add some salt. I just add maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons. That'll be fine. And then I add in some apple cider vinegar. Again, 2 to 3 tablespoons will be fine. And then the peppermint oil. This one I just put in some few drops, just 5 drops will be enough. And then I mix all of it together, and then it's time to dip the feet in. So I keep my feet in there for like 15 to 20 minutes so that they get really soft and nice. Instead of using a ball, if you have a foot spa, that will be the best. You can use that one. It works better. So after 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to take a foot file and start to scrub all the dead skin off our feet. So this is what I'm doing right now. Just keep scrubbing until you get that softness that you need. Alright, as you can see right here, the water is now very dirty. So I pour in some more warm water so that I rinse my feet. As you can see, they are now soft and clean. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. They feel so soft. So when I'm done rinsing them, that is when I take them out of the water and I dry them using a dry towel. Okay, now it's time to dry the feet. I make sure that they are completely dry, and the next step, I apply some petroleum jelly on my feet. Okay, see that petroleum jelly, cocoa butter. So I applied that on my feet, and then after applying that, I put on my favorite socks and I go to sleep. I go to sleep with the socks on, and then the following day the feet will be even more softer and they feel amazing. Congratulations, you now have very soft feet. Okay, so remember to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell, and the most important thing, please if you see value in this, please like the video and also leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you. If you have any other ingredients that you use, please let me know in the comment section so that I know what you use when you're doing your pedicure, and also I would love to learn from that. Thank you for watching. Bye.